Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. Let me show you this neat product I just got from my office.
It's an interactive door sign. This is what it looks like when you receive it. You get the door sign as well as 13 colorful status plates. You also get some adhesive to attach it to the wall, glass, or door. I like this product a lot because it's super easy to install and does not require any drilling or glue. Let's talk about these status plates. They're fun and colorful and made of a thick acrylic material. On the office sign, you can use 7 of them at once. Just slide them into the slot like this. They're extremely durable and won't chip or fade. The dimensions of the sign is 11.4 inches by 3.2 inches. The sign also comes in 3 different colors and 6 different styles. The colors include black, silver, and brushed silver. The one that I got is brushed silver. The main purpose of this office sign is to let your manager or coworkers know where you are and if you're returning back to the office later in the day. It also lets them know if you're in a meeting or if you're out at lunch or working from home. Before getting this sign, people will always wander into my office to check if I'm in or not. However, now that the office sign is installed, my coworkers will know exactly what I'm doing behind those frosted glass windows. And with the sliding design, it's super easy to change your status.